This is a review of the Bodum electric water heater. It comes with a base that you plug into the wall, and that's this base right here. The base does not seem to get hot when it cooks, when it heats up. This is the water heater. It's on top of the base. You put water in it up to, I believe it's 34 ounces, maximum water so that it doesn't boil over. You can put the water in by popping the top open like this, and it just dangles so the top doesn't come off, which is nice to not have a part that comes off. You can pour the water out of the water spout right here, or if you're doing it as like mopping, you can pour it faster if you just pop the top open. To turn it on, so you fill it with water, put as much water as you want up to that max. You turn it on by pushing this button. The blue light comes on. It'll start boiling. Takes about a minute or so to boil, and then what'll happen is once it's done cooking, you can hear it start. It's not too loud. The blue light will go off. This will pop back, and it'll be ready to go, and you can just pour it. I usually start making my other components of whatever I'm making while this is boiling, and then come back whenever I'm ready. It'll stay hot for a bit inside the kettle, and then you can just pour it. So if you want to stop it before it doesn't get as hot as it would, like boiling hot, you can always pop it closed again, and it'll stop heating, and then you can wait till you're ready to use it. But I actually purchased this as a replacement for the exact same model that I had purchased 10 or so years ago, and it stopped working, which I think after 10 years is fair, and so I replaced it with the exact same model, and I love it. Enjoy.
These two little plastic components just appeared in the water after I'd used it a few times. They appeared separately. First one appeared, then a couple of weeks later this other one appeared. They were just in the water as it was boiling. I didn't see where they came from. This is my second Bodum kettle. The first, the same model, stuck. The lid stuck and couldn't be opened. So I perhaps rather foolishly went and bought another one. I won't make the same mistake twice. Neither should you.
Here it is. It's perfect. I've used it for quite some time now, and I'm always at the hotel, and I use it with this too, so it's perfect. Minus the fork and spoon. But you could steam it, put a towel over your head, and just have your head underneath this, and the steam into your face. So it's perfect.